Welcome to the Learning Adda, a morning of positivity. In the peaceful town of Willowbrook, where the first rays of dawn painted the sky in shades of pink and gold, lived a woman named Asha. She was known throughout the town for her warm smile and the kindness she extended to everyone she met. But what truly set Asha apart was her daily ritual that had become a beacon of positivity for the entire community. Every morning, just as the sun began to rise, Asha would step out onto her porch with a steaming cup of tea. She would close her eyes, take a deep breath, and let the fresh morning air fill her lungs. This was her way of greeting the day, a moment of peace before the world awoke. As the birds began their morning songs, Asha would gently stretch her arms towards the sky, feeling the warmth of the sun on her skin. "Good morning, beautiful world," she would whisper, her voice filled with gratitude. It was a simple ritual, but it set the tone for the entire day. Asha believed that each day was a gift, a new beginning filled with endless possibilities. She made it her mission to share this belief with others. As the town slowly stirred to life, Asha would begin her walk through Willowbrook, her steps light and her heart full of joy. The first stop was always at Mrs. Patel's house. Mrs. Patel was an elderly woman who lived alone, and Asha knew that mornings were often lonely for her. She would gently knock on the door and greet Mrs. Patel with a cheerful, "Good morning." Asha's smile was contagious, and soon Mrs. Patel's face would light up as they shared a few moments of conversation. "Thank you, dear," Mrs. Patel would say every morning. "Your visits brighten my day." Next, Asha would pass by the small bakery owned by Mr. and Mrs. Lee. The couple had been running the bakery for years, and Asha always made it a point to stop by and offer them a kind word. "Good morning, Mr. Lee." "Good morning, Mrs. Lee. The bakery smells wonderful today," she would say, breathing in the scent of fresh bread and pastries. Mr. Lee would chuckle and wave back, while Mrs. Lee would often hand Asha a warm croissant as a token of appreciation. "You're always so kind, Asha." "Thank you for bringing sunshine into our mornings," Mrs. Lee would say. As Asha continued her walk, she greeted everyone she met with the same cheerful, "Good morning." It didn't matter if it was the postman, the school children, or the shopkeepers, Asha made sure that everyone started their day with a positive note. One morning, as Asha made her way through the town square, she noticed a young girl sitting alone on a bench. The girl looked sad, her eyes downcast and her shoulders slumped. Asha's heart went out to her, and she approached the girl with her usual warmth. "Good morning, my dear," Asha said softly as she sat down beside her. "Is everything okay?" The girl looked up, surprised by Asha's kindness. "I'm just having a bad day," she admitted. "I feel like everything is going wrong." Asha gently took the girl's hand in hers. "I'm sorry to hear that, but remember that every day is a new chance to start over. The morning brings fresh opportunities, and there's always something good waiting just around the corner." The girl smiled for the first time that morning. "Thank you," she said. "You've made me feel a little better." Asha nodded, her heart swelling with joy. That's the magic of a good morning. It's a chance to fill your day with positivity and light. As the sun climbed higher in the sky, Asha finished her walk and returned home, her heart content. She knew that she had spread a little bit of happiness throughout Willowbrook, and that thought filled her with peace. The people of Willowbrook had come to cherish Asha's morning greetings. They knew that no matter how tough the day ahead might be, Asha's words and smile would always remind them that each day was a new beginning, full of hope and promise. And so, the town of Willowbrook continued to thrive, not just because of its beautiful surroundings or its hard-working people, but because of the simple, powerful belief that a positive start to the day could make all the difference. Every morning, as the first light of dawn touched the town, the people of Willowbrook would think of Asha and her cheerful, good morning. And with that thought, they would step out into the world with a little more hope, a little more kindness, and a lot more positivity. Thank you for the watching.